Good morning, students. We have started our chapter 1 rational numbers in the class, and we have discussed properties of rational numbers. First property we have done closure property, second commutative property we have done and discussed in the class, and today here in this video we will do associative property of rational numbers. Associative property says that we can this property we will do on all four operations. All the four operations are plus, minus, multiply and divide. According to this property, suppose for addition we are taking, we can add any three numbers in any order. This property is always applies on three numbers. Like commutative property we have done, commutative property is for two numbers and associative property is always for three numbers. In the associative property, let us recall this associativity for the whole numbers. We have already done associative property for whole number in class 6 and for integers in the class 7th. Like in class 6 we have done for whole numbers. Suppose I am taking three whole numbers a1, b2 and c3. What is associative property? For addition, this is we can add any three numbers in any of the order. Like I am changing the order now. Now see, by putting values whole numbers. I am putting whole numbers here, then the result will be 6. Now A is 1 and B 2 and C 3. I have changed the order here. By changing the order, again the result is same. So it means we can change the order. We can arrange any three numbers in any order. Same way for this property we have done in 7th class for integers. In the integers I am taking another examples, like here I am taking -2, here I am taking 3, here I am taking 0, any of the example you can take. Now see, -2 plus 3 plus 0, the result will be 3 minus 2, 1. And here, if I am changing their order, minus a plus 3, again plus 0. 3 minus 2, 1. 1 plus 0, again 1. Again the result is same. It means we can arrange any three integers in any order. Same way, this property in class 8 we will study for rational numbers. Because this is the chapter of rational number, so I am taking here the same property for addition. Now operation is addition. Now see example. You can take any of the B. I am taking 3 by 4. C. I am taking 5 by 4. These three numbers I took. Now see what will be the result. Now 1 by 4, here 3 by 4 minus 5 by 4, because C is minus 5 by 4. Here 1 by 4 after changing their order. So I have to change the order. See here. Now I will add A and B first of all, then I will add C with them. See the arrangement. By different arrangement, the result will be same. How? Solve the bracket first of all. It will come minus 2 by 4. When I will solve this bracket, it will come minus 2 by 4. Because denominator is same, 4 will come and 3 minus 5 minus 2 will come. So what will be the result? It will be minus 1 by 4. Now solve this side. If the arrangement will be different, then also the result will be minus 1 by 4. It means we can arrange any three number in any order. So we can say addition is associative. Now we can say addition is associative. Same way, now we will check for operation subtraction. You have to write down these with example. You have to show for addition and write down addition is associative. Why addition is associative? Because we can add any three numbers, any three rational numbers in any order. Now we will check the same for subtraction. Now check for subtraction by changing the order. If I will take this order and next time I will change the order, what will be the result? Now check it. Now suppose I am taking A 1 by 4, B 3 by 4, A 1 by 4, B 3 by 4 and C 2 by 4. Now check it. A is 1 by 4, B is 3 by 4 and C is 2 by 4. You can take any of the example, any rational number you can take. The result will come same. Now solve the bracket first of all. You will get 1 by 4 here. 3 minus 2, 1 by 4. The result will be 0. Now here see 1 minus 3. 1 minus 3 means minus 2 by 4 and minus 2 by 4. It means minus 4 by 4. By cutting you will get minus 1. Here it is the result is 0 and that side by changing the order the result will be minus 1. So we can say subtraction is not associative because we cannot change the order. After changing the order the result is not same. So subtraction is not associative. This you have to show using example in your CW copy. Don't do this in homework copy. So now I am taking for multiplication. The same property now I am taking for multiplication. For multiplication, how? For three rational numbers, if I am changing the order, now see whether the result is same or not. A 1 by 4, B 3 by 4, C 2 by 4. This I took. B 3 by 4 and C 2 by 4. You can take any rational numbers. Now first of all solve the bracket. In the bracket it will be, do the cutting if possible. Cutting is possible. Now the result will be 3 by 8 here. And when you will solve this, it will be 8 4s are 32. And here if I will solve this, 3 by 16, 2 by 4 means by cutting it will be 1 by 2 and here again 3 by 32. So we can change the order. After changing the order, if we can arrange in the different order, the result is same. So we can say multiplication is associative. Now for division I am showing the same. Now we have seen multiplication is associative for any of the number. Now see the result for division also. A divide B divide C. Let us check if we change the order what will be the result? Now A, suppose I am taking A 1 by 2, divide. B, I am taking A 1 by 2, B minus 1 by 3, and C 2 by 5. See here I am taking minus 1 by 3, and C I am taking 2 by 5. 1 by 2, divide, solve the bracket, minus 1 by 3, here 5 by 2 will come. Now 1 by 2, divide, solve this bracket, it will be minus 5 by 6, 1 by 2. When divide sign is there, we have to convert into multiply. See the reciprocal of this, do the reciprocal of this number, it will be 6 by minus 5. Do the reciprocal of this number, do the cutting now, it will be minus 3 by 5. The result is minus 3 by 5. Now solve by changing the arrangement. If we change the arrangement, change the order, the result will be, what will be the result? Now here this will be 1 by 2, divide, minus 1 by 3. Here divide sign, 2 by 5. 1 by 2, multiply sign, reciprocal of this number, minus 3 by 1, divide 2 by 5. Now minus 3 by 2, this bracket is solved, and here divide sign change into multiply, reciprocal of the next number written after divide. When we change the sign, this number, reciprocal of this number we are writing here. So what will come? Minus 15 by 4. Now the C, we see here, we observed here, the result is not same. It means division is not associative for whole numbers. Division is not associative. So by doing the example of your choice, you can try yourself and try these given on page 9. Next topic we'll do in next video. Thank you.